Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the white witch butterfly in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my collection, my insect story. And this is how the white witch looks like. I'm going to show you the details. Okay, you can catch this insect from the insect event guys. So you're going to go to the Onen Mountain and start the bait the insect event right here. It's available now, and during the event, if you're lucky, you'll meet this white witch. And for my insect catching hobby, I've already reached level 5. Oh, let me upgrade this one. And yeah, that's it guys. You just need to join the Bait the Insect event to meet white witch butterfly. Okay guys, and that's where we can catch the white witch butterfly in Heartopia to add insect to our collection. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.